Super Kids. Hi Super Kids. Let's learn about birds today. This is a parrot. It is green and loves to talk. Parrots can copy what we say. Isn't that amazing? Parrots like to eat fruits and seeds. Look! It's a peacock. The peacock is the most beautiful bird. It spreads its colorful feathers and dances in the rain. Wow! This is a sparrow. It's small and brown. Sparrows live near our homes and sing sweet songs. Here comes the pigeon. Pigeons are friendly birds. They make a soft coo-coo sound and love to fly together. Coo-coo. 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 That's a crow. It is black and smart. Crows say caw-caw. Have you heard them around your house? This is an owl. Owls have big round eyes and stay awake at night. They say hoo-hoo. Owls can see in the dark. Here is a duck. Ducks love to swim in water. They say quack quack and waddle when they walk. This is a swan. It is white and looks so graceful. Swans float gently on the water and have long necks. Look up high. It's an eagle. Eagles are strong birds. They fly very high in the sky and have sharp eyes. That's a woodpecker. Tap tap tap. It pecks on tree trunks to find insects. Woodpeckers have red and black feathers. Wow! A flamingo. It is pink and stands on one leg. Flamingos live near lakes and eat tiny water creatures. Meet the penguin. Penguins live in cold places. They cannot fly, but they are great swimmers. So cool! Look at the rooster. It wakes everyone up in the morning by saying cock-a-doodle-doo. What a loud sound!